Beneath the surface of the Persian Gulf, a delicate ballet unfolds. Among corals and shifting sands, the tentacles of the Heteractis sea anemone sway gently, catching light and rhythm from the moving currents. At first glance, these flowing arms may appear passive, like underwater flowers, but hidden within their beauty lies a complex relationship with one of the ocean's most iconic creatures. The clownfish. Sheltered among the anemone's stinging tentacles, the clownfish finds both a safe haven and a home. In return, it offers protection, keeping parasites away and luring prey close enough for the anemone to catch. This mutual bond is known as symbiosis, a close and beneficial relationship between two different species. And few examples in the marine world are as vivid, or as essential, as this one. What makes this relationship possible is extraordinary. A special mucus covering the clownfish's body protects it from the anemone's deadly sting. Without it, this close contact would be fatal. But this immunity isn't accidental. It's the result of millions of years of coevolution. Through time, these two very different creatures have adapted to live not just side by side, but intertwined. Watch as the clownfish moves in and out of the waving tentacles, always alert, always active. Its dance isn't random, it's a ritual of survival, of cleaning, feeding, and guarding. And for the sea anemone, this partnership provides something rare in the marine world, a bodyguard. A bold, fearless fish that defends its home with surprising determination. Together, they create a miniature ecosystem. A world within a world. One that reminds us of how deeply life in the ocean is connected, and how even the smallest creatures depend on each other. This is not just a story of survival, but of cooperation. In the vast silence beneath the waves, the bond between a clownfish and its anemone speaks of nature's intricate design, and its enduring beauty.